Hi all my crafty friends, and welcome back to Designs by Gaddis. If you're new here, welcome. I'm so glad you found my channel. Be sure to like this video and subscribe. By doing so, you will help others, just like yourself, be able to find my home decor DIY videos. Today, I'll be making a tiara tray and rolling pin for my Valentine's Day tiara tray. If you want to learn how I created this tiara tray wood sign blank, a link to that tutorial in the description below. For the tag, I got this free cut file from Craft House. I resized it and made a few adjustments to it in Design Space before I cut it. I'll leave a link to this free design in the description also. The tag was already painted with white chalk paint, but I wanted to give it more of a rustic look. So I used my sanding block and sanded the tag until I liked the way it looked. I sprayed some rubbing alcohol on the tag and used a paper towel to remove the sand dust from the tag. I always use alcohol instead of water for this because the alcohol dries a lot quicker. After cutting and weeding the vinyl, I applied it to the transfer tape so I could place it on the wood tag. I removed the backing, aligned the vinyl on the tag, and used a gift card, because I lost my Cricut tool years ago, to apply the vinyl to the tag. I then used my iron trick to give the vinyl more of a hand-painted look. And that's when the trouble started. I wasn't paying attention and I let the vinyl get too hot. The vinyl actually stuck to my cloth and peeled off in one spot of the gnome's hat. So now I had to figure out how to fix that. I tried to remove the vinyl from the cloth and reapply it to the wood tag, but that didn't work. I really didn't want to have to recut the vinyl. I wanted to use a little white pom-pom, but I couldn't find them in my stash. But I did find this red jewel sticker and decided to attach it over the mistake. It worked perfect and gave the tag a unique look. I used some twine and made a little bow for the corner of the tag. I used glue to attach it in place. The wood tiara tray Valentine's Day gnome tag turned out so cute, and I'm actually glad I made the mistake and had to add the little jewel. For the rolling pin, I'm reusing a rolling pin from my Christmas tiara tray. All I did was remove the Christmas saying, and it was ready to go. I created this little love cut file for the rolling pin because I couldn't find a cut file I liked. I am currently learning Inkscape, and once I get the hang of it and understand what I'm doing, I plan on starting an Inkscape series. If you are interested in learning how to create your own cut files, I will leave a link in the description for you to sign up to be notified when I begin the Inkscape series. I cut and weeded the vinyl and then used transfer paper to apply the saying onto the rolling pin. I added a piece of black and white ribbon on one of the arms of the rolling pin. And just look at how stinking cute it turned out. If you haven't already, go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel. I upload weekly home decor DIY videos, and you know you don't want to miss any of them. So go ahead and hit the bell notification so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And as always, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy crafting!